And you can see before we place an order on this platform, you can see that we have 683 followers. Can you see 683 followers? Mark it because we are going to come back right here for you to see that it's going to increase. And right now, boom, you can see we currently have 808 followers. Can you see? We currently have 808 followers, which means that this followers has already reflected easy peasy. This Instagram hack got me 5,000 followers, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do that. The first thing I did is that I came to this platform, as you can see on the screen, growbetter.net. The link is in the description. Just click on it and it will take you to the website. When you come to this platform, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. To create an account, you need to come down and see this sign up right here. Tap on it. Can you see this sign up right here? Tap on it, and when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place. Create a username. While creating your username, write it together. Come right here, put your email, and come right here, put your password, and come right here, confirm your password, and click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys exactly how to do this. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you create your account and log in, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like, right? So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Tap on it. When you tap on it, look for Instagram followers. So right, let's scroll down, and here is Instagram followers. I like using this particular one, Instagram followers non-drop new premium, right? So I just need to select it, and the next thing we need to do is for us to go to this service right here. Can you see the service right here? Tap on it, select your preferable service. I like using the first one, so I just need to select it. Read the description. The description actually stated that the start time is 0 to 30 minutes and delivery speed is 5,000 a day, which means that you can get 5,000 followers a day, and the refill is 30 days. They said minimum is 50 followers and the max is 45 followers, which means that the minimum you can order is 50 followers and the max you can order is 45,000 followers. And they say the quality is high quality. And down here is where they describe the kind of link that you need for you to actually place an order. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy your link. So let's go to Instagram. So right now I'm on my Instagram. As you can see, this is the Instagram we want to boost right away. And you can see before we place an order on this platform, you can see that we have 683 followers. Can you see 683 followers? Mark it because we are going to come back right here for you to see that it's going to increase. So for you to copy your link, all you need to do is to come to this shape profile right here. Can you see this shape profile right here? Tap on it. When you tap on it, see this copy link. Can you see this copy link? Tap on it, and your link is copied. Then come back and paste your link. And the next thing is to come to this quantity and put the amount of followers you want, because quantity is the amount of followers you want. So I'm going to be putting 100, right? So the next thing you need to do right away is for you to click on the submit right here in order to submit your order. So I just need to tap on it, and as you can see right here, our order has been received, right? And all we need to do is for us to wait, and these followers will start coming into our account, right? So but before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see the three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and boom, you can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it. It will display two payment options in this platform, which is Kora Pay and Manual. So I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. When you tap on Kora Pay, just put the amount that you want and click on this pay right here, and the thing is going to rotate. Kora Pay is going to ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or with bank? If you want to pay with debit card, select debit card, put your details right here and click on this pay. Your payment will go. Or if you want to pay with bank transfer, select bank transfer, read all this instruction and tell them I understand instruction, and click on continue. Kora Pay is going to provide account number that you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to make payment to the account number. Your balance is going to reflect to your account. Easy peasy. So let me show you guys exactly how to use Manual. All you need to do is to come select Manual, read the instruction right here. They say can you make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They say do not send below 1,000 because it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us. So all you need to do is make payment to the account number, then send them your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username. Either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon. It will take you to the WhatsApp. Send them proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, and they're going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. So let's go back to Instagram. As you can see right here, you can see we get 87 new followers notification right here. Can you see? So all you need to do right now is for us to actually check and see if the followers have entered through. Remember, we had 600 and 83 followers, right? And right now, boom, you can see we currently have 808 followers. Can you see? We currently have 808 followers, which means that this follower has already reflected easy peasy. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, growbetter.net. The link is in the description. Create an account, right? And once you create an account, fund the account and do exactly the same thing I just taught you guys in this video, and you'll be able to get this follower. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.